Aditya Birla Sun Life Business Cycle Fund, a scheme of Aditya Birla Sun Life Mutual Fund. Our lives work in cycles, just like the day and night cycle, season cycle, water cycle and many more. The cyclical nature of these events gives sense of predictability about what may follow next. Similarly, economies go through a series of different phases which is called as business cycle. Based on the level of economic activities, each phase of the business cycle are characterized into expansion, peak, contraction and slump. The business cycle has an impact on the world of investing too. Thus, while investing, it is important to understand the phase that the economy is in and what may follow next, as performance of the sectors and stocks vary depending on the phase of the business cycle. For example, the defensive sectors tend to perform well through contraction and slump phase as they have stable earnings irrespective of the stage of the business cycle, while non-defensive sectors perform well during expansion and peak phase as discretionary expenditure rises. But how to identify business cycles and actively maneuver investment across different sectors to make the most of the business cycle? Presenting Aditya Birla Sun Life Business Cycle Fund that follows business cycles based investing theme. The fund will use the top-down investment approach to identify and ascertain the stage of the business cycle by analyzing various economic indicators. Consequently, the fund will maneuver the allocation between defensive and non-defensive sectors without any market gap, style or factor bias. Basically, during the declining phase, the fund will aim to remain overweight on defensive sectors, and during the expansionary phase, the fund will aim to remain overweight on non-defensive sectors. Here, the sector allocation will be based on stage of the business cycle, correlation of the cycle with different sectors, growth potential, and the margin of safety. The fund will also aim to capitalize on select global opportunities by keeping a keen eye on the global trends. This way, Aditya Birla Sun Life Business Cycle Fund offers balance between defensives and non-defensives, sector positioning based on the business cycle, hand-picked quality companies, remains unbiased towards market cap, style or sector, and selective global exposure. So aim to have a specially curated portfolio and make the most of the business cycle by investing in Aditya Birla Sun Life Business Cycle Fund. NFO opens on 15th November 2021. NFO closes on 29th November 2021. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.